We count on our doctors to take care of us and to keep us healthy. But sometimes it's really fun to see them in a different light and to remember that they do have other talents and interests outside of their careers. The original Dr. Idol is a Battle of the Bands competition, and it's made up completely of physicians. And Dr. Herbert Silverstein is here to tell us what it's all about. Wow, this is a very, very popular event, the Battle of the Bands with Dr. Idol. Tell me about it.
Well, we have 8 bands that are going to be playing. And the way this started out was some years ago, we wanted to raise money for our children's program to do cochlear implants in children to make them hear and to provide hearing aids for people that couldn't afford them. And since I was a jazz musician, I decided that perhaps we should have a contest. And I went to the other doctors, and they seemed to be all for it and were willing to donate their time and to come in and perform for this event. So this is the second one that we've had, and it should be very successful.
Now you have 13 CDs.
Right.
You are a very, very popular musician, besides being a physician.
Well, when I was 48, I started taking piano lessons, and for some reason I started writing music. And so I've written about 60 songs now and produced a bunch of CDs, and the money that we get from the CDs go to the foundation, the Ear Research Foundation for the children.
I was impressed that there are so many doctors in town that are also musicians, that you're able to put together multiple bands. I mean, who knew?
Yes, yes. Now there's a quote, I understand, that guides you. A very famous quote by Helen Keller.
Yeah.
What is that?
The quote is that deafness gets us away, separates us from people, but visual loss separates us from things. So it's very important to have your hearing.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, we want to hear you guys play.
Okay.
We want a sample of this. So while you go over and get ready to play, let me tell everybody that you can hear the Dr. Idol Battle of the Bands on April 28th. It's going to be at the White Buffalo Saloon, the White Buffalo Saloon. And it's Dr. Idol Battle of the Bands coming up. It's this Saturday, so be sure you get there to hear this. And now we are going to hear a sample from the Dr. Idol competitors here from this band. And of course, you know the money goes to a very, very, very important cause. Okay, are you guys ready? Take it away. Vote for your favorite band and see your favorite doctor perform. They're going to be sharing their talents, sharing their healing, and sharing their joy of music. You can see it at the White Buffalo Saloon on Saturday, April 28th from 6 to 10 p.m. You can go to earrf.org and doc. And the originals is the featuring Dr. Herbert Silverstein Band. They are amazing. And next, we've got some happy baby news for you.